Remote Start Package Overview. This is a complete remote starter kit for Ford vehicles. The kit includes an all-in-one remote start bypass module, and all parts required for installation. Compatible with automatic transmission vehicles only. Nationwide professional installation is available as an upgrade. Call us for details. Requires both original factory keys for programming. Cloned, copied keys do not work. Remote start features. Use your factory OEM key fobs to start your car. Start your vehicle by simply pressing the lock button on your remote, three times in succession. There's no additional key fobs to carry around. Not compatible with diesel engines. Automatic transmissions only. Semi-plug-and-play installation type. This kit uses a wiring T-harness which dramatically reduces number of wiring connections that typical systems require. The installation of this product will still require 2 to 4 wiring connections depending on how you want to configure the system. We provide concise directions with wire colors and locations. A person with basic knowledge of wiring car electronics should be able to install this product successfully. MPC technical support. This kit includes MPC's exclusive copyrighted step-by-step installation tip sheet made by MPC's professional technicians to help you through the installation process. In addition, we offer no-charge USA technical support by phone or email, Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. as time. Top reviews from the United States. So far. I figured I would start writing this review as I do the install. This will more than likely be a slow process due to the cold weather currently. This kit isn't exactly plug and play, the only part that truly is would be the T-harness. Note: product description updated to remove plug and play term since writing this review. Getting to the top harness in the steering column is a bit of a chore, as is putting the plastics and rubber fittings back into place. To get to the steering column, the plastic kick panel below the steering wheel must be removed, followed by a steel plate, then the lower plastic steering column cover. In order to make the above connections, the kit wires will need to be extended to the passenger side of the truck where the BCM, otherwise known as the fuse box, is located. The parking lights will require a fuse link and relay not included in this kit. The primary place of wiring will be at the 28-pin BCM connection for ease of install, as it is a tight fit. I removed every bit of plastics I could.